Hi everybody, welcome back to my video. Guess what? It's Premium Boxycharm Day. And today, can you see him? I don't know, this is video to video. Tristan, say hi.
Hi guys, another Premium Box. Looks like she has another one coming tomorrow. Or
Today. It's supposed to be here today, I think. Okay, so let's get down and do this. So he's sitting and watching. I got you both lined up. We're outside today because it's dark in my house. All right, so we got our nice little slicey cutting tool here. And we'll see what we get. What do you think we're gonna get? You think we're gonna get a lot of face products, or you think Etlin's gonna get a lot of makeup?
probably mixable.
A mix of both?
Again.
Okay, so ready? This is what it looks like.
Wait, hang on. Guys, pause the video now and guess. See if you're correct. So pause the video right now and guess if it's gonna be face products, makeup, or mixables.
Ta-da!
Alright, now you have paused it. Let's do this one.
Thank you, motorcycles. Okay. All right. So what does this say? BoxyCharm Candy Shop save the date. Online for pop-up members only. Ooh, it looks like we got a good box, Tristan. Ooh. We got Laura Geller, New York. 50 kisses. Lip locking. I got a lipstick. Put it on? Okay. I don't think that's a good idea. I don't have a mirror. No, I'm not going to put it on. I don't have a mirror. It'll look funny.
Well, you know where your lips are.
Yeah, but lipstick is kind of weird. Now, it's not, I can't do it. I can't do it on camera. I need a mirror. So my box is blue inside. All right, and here we have from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I have a brow pencil.
Rihanna?
Yeah, Rihanna. You know the singer? Under my umbrella, Ella.
Oh, you're right.
No, I stopped in time. Fenty Beauty. And it's a brow, could be a brow pencil or just brown eyeliner. Very nice. We like Fenty Beauty. We're a fan. We are a fan. And this is from KOSAS. This is Tinted Face Oil. I wonder what color they sent me. I am so light. It would be terrible, you know what I mean? Let's see. Ooh, listen. Can you hear it?
Yeah, I heard that.
But
That's
it's weird.
Yeah,
How does
guys,
it?
thank you for getting on her main channel. Thank you for getting our 1K views on one of her videos, and then also thank you for 10K views. We're almost at 11K. So
Yes, thank you very much. And let me tell you, if it wasn't for Tristan pushing me, I don't think I'd make as many videos. So thank you, Tristan. All right, so this is Tinted Face Oil.
What's that? What will that do?
I think you put this on like a moisturizer for people with really dry skin, maybe. This is a new thing in makeup. It's like, okay. It's got botanicals that absorb, allowing skin perfecting pigment to even and illuminate complexions. Shake well, gently blend 2 to 4 drops into the skin using fingertips. Huh.
All right. That sounds
All right, that's different. Okay, 3 products down and oh. We have a palette. We have a palette. A palette. This is called Illuminati.
Yep, you're gonna get all dressed up in that stuff.
Illuminati and Isa. So I don't know who Isa is.
You're gonna turn into an Illuminati. And then the police are gonna hunt you down and capture you because you look like an
Oh, the
Illuminati.
Illuminati are good people. We love the Illuminati around here.
What colors are in the palette?
I'm going to show you. I just opened it. So this is by Isabel Bedoya. So this is an...
By a specific person. not the
Ugh.
companies.
Did I seriously just get bit by a hornet on camera? Ugh, I did.
Oh.
Mm. Okay, are you ready to see the colors? Oh my.
Yeah, I think it should be like a black and a green.
Oh no.
Oh, now there's blue in there. Why is there blue in there?
Doesn't it look like it would be a very mauvey palette based on the outside, like pinks and...
Yeah, just the cover art looks beautiful.
Yeah, but it's yellow, light green, light blue, purple.
I
And then
wouldn't expect blue to be in there.
I wouldn't expect any of these or this. That's...
Yeah, no, I'd only expect like black and green.
Whoa, hornets! Stop it! I'm being attacked.
And it's by a company or specific or one person.
No, it's Illuminati by Isa, designed by Isa Bedoya. So I'm guessing. Oh, it's
That's individual.
Illuminati
That's
Cosmetics. Yeah. So, and it's cruelty free, which we like very much.
What's cruelty free?
Cruelty free means they don't test on animals. Okay. So we have from Illuminati. What do we have here? Go to exfoliating Swipeys. Foolproof exfoliating.
Guys,
What, babe?
and also at the end, we're going to tally up the cost and see how much you're saving
Yes.
by getting a box. Like last time, right?
Yep.
So we'll do that at the end. Stick around.
Yes, of course. So these are exfoliating Swipeys. These are foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin.
And you'll want to watch the full video because it's quality.
Oh, we have something from Clarins. Nice. From Paris, France. Ho, 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 ho. Plant enriched. This is line smoothing, perfecting touch, instant smooth. I wonder if this is a primer.
I see the hornets.
I felt one on my back. And it's very hard when you have long hair because they get stuck in my hair, and then when I go in the house, it's like...
You bring them in.
Yes, and Uncle Nick gets mad.
Us-
Instant smooth, perfecting touch. Is this a primer? Ooh, look how pretty that looks. Go away, hornets! They're on the door
Wait, no,
now.
you're frozen. Oh, yeah,
Can you see it?
Yeah.
What a weird way to put something inside of a package.
Yeah, and what is it exactly?
I don't know. I think it's a primer. I think it's a primer.
So, what's the primer? You put it on before you put it
Oh, okay. It's for my eye. Okay, close lid. Oh, okay. Apply alone before makeup. Oh, so it's a primer. So I have big pores and I have wrinkles because I'm kind of old. And you use primer so that when you put foundation on, it helps it stay on better. And this box...
So it's like a glue. It's like a performance booster.
Oh, you know what? They fooled me. I thought that there was more in the box. But look how they fooled me. They put a box inside of the box to make it look like more. Isn't that terrible?
Okay, so are those all the items?
Okay. We're done. That was a Boxy Premium. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, 6 items. Okay, are you ready for the breakdown? Are you ready with your adding machine skills? Okay, so let's start. The Illuminati palette, eyeshadow, $48.
Alright.
Okay, the Clarins from the Insta Smooth Primer from Paris is $39. This KOSAS Tinted Oil is $42. The Exfoliating Swipeys are $35. Oh, the Fenty Brow is $20. And the 50 Kisses Lip Locking Potion is $22. So what does that come out to?
I got 204, but I'll check.
204, and I paid...
No, let me check.
Okay.
Let me check.
I'm trying to think. A premium box, I think the premium is $35 because you only get it 4 times a year.
Wait, I'm gonna ask Siri. What were the numbers again?
Okay. 48
What's 48?
plus 39
Alright, 48 plus 39
plus 42
plus 42
plus 35
plus, hang on, 35
plus 20 plus 21. Laura Geller, this one was 21, not 22.
Okay, so it's 48, 39, 42, 35, 21.
20 and 21, yes.
Oh, 20 and 21.
Yes.
Okay, let me tally it up.
Okay, we'll have a price for you in a minute. I have no internet out here. Okay.
No! Oh my god. Why? Okay, what are the numbers again?
Oh, Tristan, people are probably already edited up by now. They're tired with the video. Okay, 48.
Okay, got it.
39.
Yep.
42. 35. 20. And 21. Seems my account. $205. Nice.
So, in total, the values of the items are 205. And how much did you pay for it?
I am double checking now. My premium box is $35.
So if you do 205 minus 35, you save
Ugh.
100. You add them individually.
How much?
So it's 100. So the total value of all the items is 205. You saved $170 just buying the box.
Wow.
So you save $170 by paying 35.
Yeah.
205.
And it's like a mystery box every month because you know I don't look ahead to see, so I'm surprised at what I get. I bet you your mom could use these.
Yeah. Well, that was Boxycharm Premium Part 2. Well, the second premium box. So you save around $160 to $200 per box.
And then I have a Boxycharm Basic box that should be delivered today. Everybody else got theirs weeks ago. I don't know why mine takes so long, but...
Yeah, guys, so if it comes today, we'll do another video on it. But if it comes tomorrow, then we'll do one tomorrow. Alright, guys? Thank you for watching this Boxycharm Premium. You'll save $170 by doing this Boxycharm.
Yeah, so I'll just show you the items one more time. We got KOSAS. Oops.
Yeah,
No, this way, sorry.
Like
we got KOSAS.
You save around an average of $200.
Go-to. We got Clarins, which is they've been around forever. Fenty, good products. We got Laura Geller. I love Laura Geller's baked eyeshadows. I mean, those, and baked blush. And then the Illuminati. Isabel Bedoya, she's either a designer or probably a YouTuber, some sort of influencer. And these are her colors. Let me name the colors real quick. So she has 1996 Sour. It's either Riri or Rai Rai, Purple Haze, Purple Dream, Azul, Baby Girl, which you'll Addie, June 1st, Rose, Trust, Izzy. There is a color called Izzy. Rich, Colombiana, and Soul. You know what, real quick? I'm going to put the Izzy on my eyeshadow, on my eyes right now. With my finger. Let's see.
So guys, if you're interested in saving around $160 to $200,
so this is the Izzy.
You just pay $30 or something like that.
Yeah.
And then you can do a subscription.
Yeah.
And then you can do your very own unboxing video.
Okay, I just did the Izzy. I didn't use a wet brush. I just used my pinky and I pressed it on. I'm wearing the Morphe Neutrals palette. And if this glitter gets in my eyes and scratches my eyes, I'm going to be so mad. But it's a beautiful color, and it's named after my niece. That's my niece's name, Izzy.
I don't see Izzy anywhere. What color?
Right here. It's the gold sparkle. It's a gold and black glitter. See, it's Izzy.
Wait, no. Oh yeah, I see it, Izzy. Yeah, I see it. Rich looks cool.
Yeah. But no, I love that. I'm wearing this. So Izzy's going to have to watch this.
Yeah, so if you guys like
Nice.
this unboxing video,
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching this quality video.
Yes, if you enjoy Boxycharm, I would suggest going there and checking it out. So thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, leave a like. If you really liked it, then leave a subscribe.
Yes, and hit notifications so you'll know when I upload. Okay, sorry for the quality here. Tristan, I can't edit this. I'm sorry, guys. We gotta go. Thank you very much. Mwah. Bye.